Unboxing and installation of the 3BR Powersports weather resistant power adapter for the Gopro Hero 7. So I'm at work, I ordered up, I already opened it, I already know what's up. So because of the videos I record, I needed something for my GoPros because I usually run them plugged in. And because with ATV and stuff like that, you know, like you're susceptible to water, snow, dirt, anything and everything, right? So I was doing some Googling, running some ideas, trying to find a waterproof or weather resistant connector for my plug. So I found this one. It's called 3BR Powersports. And what it does, it takes your case, and there is, let's open it up here actually first before I carry on. Sorry, I'm at work, so making things a little more interesting. Didn't really want to wait until I got home to do this, but it is the 48-inch model cord. So you got that, and you got, looks like some good directions. Oh yeah, so you got some very detailed directions. It's for the GoPro 5, 6, and 7. Not more directions on the back yet. So all things considered here. Okay, so what else is in here? Okay, comes with the alcohol wipe and adapter for this. So let's open this up. Some technical difficulties with keeping the camera up without having a case, a stand, or a clamp. So you have an alcohol wipe, and then you also have this funny thingamajigger. It's your clamp that holds everything to the camera case. So you take that screw off like so. Oops. This swings like pivots on here, so that'll hold the actual charger in. And then this has double-sided tape, and this would go to your camera case. So, limit on space here to use my lap. Let's see, what does it tell us? Okay, so wipe that down, put that in its place. So, looking at the instructions and such here, I haven't done it yet, but it's supposed to sit something like that pre-installed. Like, haven't removed the tape yet, but just doing a test fit on it. It'll cover the Black 7 on this case particularly. So, let's see. Give her a good cleaning. Try to clean up any gunk and dirt. I have a shitty alcohol wipe. It's pretty dry. So, looking at the instructions again.
A few moments later.
That's gonna stick really good. It's double-sided something, but it's like almost like tar. Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Wow. If I can get the backing off, I'm sure this thing will stick on there really good. Technical difficulties. Wow. You think that would come off super easy. Apparently not a chance on that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There we go. We got it. We got it. So, putting this on. Saying, double check. Okay. Goes on there. So. Looking okay to me. Make sure you get her squeezed on there good and tight. I don't have any tools with me here currently since I am at work. I don't have pliers or anything to help put this in. Put that back on. So that slides over top. You got this little nut. Just spin that on. And now I gotta hijack the GoPro to do this. So apparently I didn't have this camera rolling at all. So it shut off of me. So this little doodad right there. So put that on. Miss that whole entire stage of putting that on, but it's super simple. Once you remove the backing off, like off this adapter, then you just put it on, you squeeze it. I don't know what it is. It's not your generic double-sided tape, that's for sure. It's soft, it's gooey. I don't know, it seems like it's got a good connection. So you take this cord, this is the charger end. You got that. Fits into here. Focusing's not the greatest. Anyways, so this half goes over top of your HDMI port, at least on the GoPro 7s, 5s, also 6s. I don't know how the 8s are. I assume they're the same. This here, it's not hard plastic. It's not quite rubber. It's in between. Like it's got some movement. It feels like it'll seal that up. And all you do is, once you get that part attached to your case, is plug it in like so. This little arm goes on top, and you swing it over top of the charger. That little nut, you don't have to take it right off. It's just, I just put this all together, so, and just tighten it down. There's almost like a foam right here too, so that will help keep that connector like firm in place. I don't have it perfectly aligned, but it'll help keep the your charger in place and have a semi seal on everything, on that plug and everything. So let's see, cord for it. Let's make sure it connects and does its thing on charging. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. At least on my end I can see it. Oh, yeah, there we go. It's not focusing the greatest on there. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. So it works. We got a connection. Perfect. Hopefully now this will help keep, like I say, that charging port dry when I'm out quadding, things like that. So I'm in lots of water, dust, you know, sometimes you get caught in the rain. If you're winter riding, snow hits it, melts, things like that. So I don't know, I'm gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Like I said, this product is a company called 3BR Powersports. This is the 48-inch model. They also sell, they make, aluminum cases too, which this is apparently compatible with it. You can buy it as a set. I never tried it. This is the first one for me. I mean, like here, like where I am, and wrecking, you know, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 camera, depends on what model you have, how new it is, whether you bought it used or new. So I mean, at the end of the day, this attaches to your factory case. That's all. Like, this is what came with the, like, with my 7 originally. And yeah, I don't know, we'll see how it holds up through you know, in the next few months. And might pick up a few more for my other cameras, but yeah, no, we'll see how it turns out. Anyways, take her easy.